out! Help me! What's up, guy? It's been 8 or 4 years. It's been.
Sounds like somebody's over there.
We're going across, man.
I'm a bear.
Coyote? I didn't even change the settings here.
Really?
No.
We're flat. Oh yeah.
Oh, damn. Come with me, Hail Mary. Echo. Hello. Come back. Come back. Come back. Hi, my name is Videos for Days. Right, Travis?
Yeah.
This is my sword. Oh. This guy from Harper Creek. And Travis.
He has a good last name.
What?
It's good burn.
Yeah. Hey, what's poppin'? Wingardium Leviosa.
Hogwarts. Don't be scared.
Never scared.
Never scared. Who does that? Sounds scary.
It's crazy.
You'll make it. Welcome to the waterfall. Can you hear me? Yo! Then there's Travis in the background. This way! Very epic! Whoa!
And it's a bright color,
I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's too loud. Super safe. Look at this awesome view. Thumbnail. We're making a thumbnail. at that guy, he's all happy. What? Playing a hot dog? What's that? Playing a hot dog. Yeah. We're heading back. I'm hiking with my sandals. Who does that? Never hike with your sandals. Tiring, man. This is why you should exercise more.
Go up there with my flip-flops and just carry my camera like that. I'm just scared I might drop it.
On time. Welcome to Neil Red. You know why? Sorry, Mama. I never meant to hurt you. It was all a dream until I baked cookies and cream.
Look at these losers making a YouTube video.
Get the book.
My face, get it up.
No, no, no. Peace out. Peace out, homie G, double G, triple G.